This is my second module. This module covers about keywords, identifiers, variables, constants, literals. Sorry. Data types, type conversions, operations, operators, comments. Now now I will explain one by one. Keywords. Keywords are predefined words. Words used in Python program. These words are used in Python program with particular meaning. Example: none, for, while, like that. For every keyword there is one meaning. Coming to identifiers, and one more, we cannot use keywords as variable name, function name, or class name, etc. Now coming to the identifiers, identifiers identifiers are the names for the particular element in a program. Those are example: function name, variable name, class name, etc. There are some rules for identifiers. Those are: identifiers can start with only letters, and or underscores. Following letters, digits, or underscore. First I will write all, and I will explain one by one later. Avoid starting with a digit. No space between the identifier. Avoid using keywords. That is, identifiers can start with only letters or underscore. Let's take an example. This is one identifier which can starts with only letter or underscore. If not, now it will works. See, it working fine. Use try to run this program. It is showing invalid decimal literal. So here the identifier cannot be starts with digit. That's it. So an identifier can starts with only letters or underscore. Following letters, digits or underscore, no problem. Avoid starting with digits. No space between identifiers. See, name. It not should be like this. We have one more option to use underscore in between of the identifier. We can use like this. Let's test that. See, working fine. Using keywords. There are some keywords. Let's try it with one keyword, that is mm, true is a boolean keyword. Try to use that. Now it will show an error. See, cannot assign to true. Why? Because this is an I keyword. Now coming to the variable. Variables also same rules as per the identifiers. Here we are going to get one doubt, why variables having identifiers. There is one. Every variables can be identifiers, but every identifier cannot be variable. Why? Because identifier contains function name, variable name, class name. There is so much difference between identifier and variable. Okay, this is a variable. This is a variable. Every variable can be an identifier. Constants. Constants means There are some constants like pi. See, not like this. uh, I will explain about pi constant value. Let's say, let's take pi value. I will try to print pi value. Pi, before that we need to get like this math.py, and we need to import math module, because math module can perform mathematical operations. Without that we are going to get error. See, we are getting this. That is about constants. Coming for literals. What is literals? Values of the keywords, sorry, values of the variables. That is, let's say name equal to Ayappa. Here Ayappa is a literal, whereas number equal to 3, let's say 3. Here 3 is a literal, that is about literal. Coming to the data types, there are data types like int, there are so many data type. Int data type, char, float, double. Int data type defines, we can use int for only numbers, like that integers, 0 from 0 onwards, 0 1 2 3 etc. 0 1 2 3 etc. These are all for int data type, whereas numbers, whereas characters data type defines for A to Z and small a to Z, or words. That's example. Ayappa or any other names. Coming to the float. Float can define point values. That is 2.1, 3.14. That whenever we require, we are using about point type of data, there we are going to use float data type. Coming to double. Double is also same as float, but a small difference is there. The memory size for float is 4 bytes, whereas the memory size of double is 8 bytes. We are going to use float data type up to 6 to approximately 5 to 6 points, 5 to 6 digits, whereas we are going to use double data type for whenever we are going to use 14, 15, above 8, 9 onwards. This is the difference between float and double. Coming to the type conversions. Type conversions means converting one data type to another data type. That is, let's see one example. Okay, we will take this one only as an example. See here, see, let's see data type of the number, that is type of number. See, class string, that is string is the same as char. Now I want to convert it into data type. See, now I am going to convert this is string to integer. See, same whatever we printed in last time, that is str. Now I converted into string into int. And take one more example, that is I'm converting same int number 3 into 4, sorry, float. Now the output is 3.0. Sorry, type of float. Enough. Let us try. Sorry, requesting one more bracket. See, we are getting float data type. This is called type conversion. Operators. Operators. There are different types of operators, that is one, arithmetic operators. Yeah, sorry. Arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, identity operator, sorry, these are all types of operator. That is, coming to the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators used for calculation purpose, that is plus for adding, subtraction, multiplication, float division, floor division, and sorry, power, and modulus. This is for adding two numbers or subtracting. This is for multiple. This is floor. This is division, which gives the value in points. Float division. This is float division. This gives only up to the value. Let's say x equal to 10, y equal to 3. Print x floor y. 3, we are getting only value 3. Let us see for float division also, which gives value in points. See, this is difference between this is float division, this is float division. It gives only quotient, but this gives answer in points also. That is the difference between float and floor. Coming to modulus. Modulus gives remainder of the divisor, remainder of the value. See, 10 divided by 3, 1 is the remainder. Now try to give power. 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. That is the value of the power. Coming to the relational operators. These relational operators are consists of double equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. See, this double equal to mentions this, the working of this is either the two values are equal or not. Let's see, print x equal to y. See, this showing false, or else change the value 10. This is the working of these two, either these two values are equal or not. Whereas see here, working of this means one single equal to assign one value to a variable, we are going to use 1 equal to, see here, like this. And working of this is not equal to, it is showing not equal to. Let's see, now we are going to get result as false. See, like this. Less than, greater than, same as less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Now coming to the logical operators. Logical operators are and, or, not. That is and or not. These logical operators we are going to in a condition, if we at the time of writing the program we are going, we have when we have two condition, then we need to verify those both conditions, there we are going to use and operators. Or else if we want only execute verify any one operators, then we are going to use operator as or. Same not negative. This is logical operators. Coming to the assignment operator. Assignment operators are equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, or multiple equal to, or division equal to. This equal to essence working as same as this as like this only. Plus equal to works for to increment the value. Let's see an example. X equal to 10. Print, sorry, x plus 1. Or not, now change the condition. Y equal to x plus 1 and try to print y. Same, I am going to write same x plus equal to 1, which make increment for 1. Now print 1. The value of x will be 11. See, same as before one. In the same way, we are going to use plus equal to, minus equal to. These are all. Coming to the bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are and, or XOR, oh yeah, and XOR not, left shift operator. Oh, in simple way, XOR means cap for not this not left shift operator, right shift operator. These are all bitwise operators. Membership operators. Membership operators are in, sorry, in, not in. We are going to use this in checking whether the particular value in list or tuple, dictionary, etc. Checking whether it is inside or not, in or not in. Identity operator. Identity operator is not. This is also check whether both in some condition A is B, that checks A equal to B, A equal to B or not. Is not also same, that is whether the two are not equal or not. These are all about operators. There are two types of comments: single line comments and multi-line comments. These comments are used to explain the code, that means to explain every line of the code. Let I show an example. Like this, the the execution of this line is not happens because I mentioned it in comments. This is single line comments, or else if we want multi-line comments, this is multi-line comments. This is all about my second module. Thank you.